Hello everyone, my name is Aarav Bableshwar. I am from grade 1, section D. My story is titled My Nature Adventure. This year Christmas vacation, I went camping with my father to a remote farm in Bableshwar. We went canoeing in the lake, danced around the campfire at night. We spotted a good. We had a good spot to stargaze late into the night. Just when I was about to wonder why I can't see so many stars in Bangalore. I asked my father why I asked my father about it. He told me that cities are filled with pollution from light pollution. First lights, street lights, vehicles are filled with pollutions. Buildings, street lights, vehicles. So we can't see the less bright stars. The city air is also polluted. Vehicles and factories. I decided to reduce unnecessary. Just when I was thinking about this, I spotted a shooting star. I quickly made a wish to save our cities